Hi there, and welcome. This is CG1 College Success. I am thrilled that you decided to take this class. It is fun, it is interesting, and you'll learn a lot about yourself as you discover your path to success. I'd like to start the class off by giving you a quick tour of the home page. This pink band down at the bottom of your screen is just telling you that I am in the student view. That way we both have the same screen and it eliminates a lot of confusion. I'd like to start the tour by talking about this blue left-hand menu. There are a couple of important buttons. The inbox, which is our class email. You may email me or any of your classmates at any time. The calendar, which shows you your assignments and it gives you the dates that everything is due. This menu has to do with the actual page. This is the home page that we're on right now, and you can tell because there is a line by it and the letters have turned black. Announcements are stored here. All your announcements will be here. These are messages that I want the whole class to know. Also, the most recent announcements are going to be here. These are your modules, and this is actually the course content, and this is how you access the class material. So your modules are here. You're going to follow along, read every page at each module, and you will do the work and you'll turn it in here. This is where your discussions are. And discussions are the way we talk to one another, pretending that we're in an in-person class, but we're not. We're totally online. But this is how we socialize and communicate with each other. Your syllabus is here, and there's some information here, and then you can see your assignments are there. But this is the syllabus with all the meaty material. So you want to read through that. Your grades are here, and this will show you your points that you've earned, and I will have a comment on everything that I grade for you so that you can tell whether you're doing good or you need to improve. This is the chat, and it looks like any other chat. You can chat with me or with your peers. They just have to be online at the same time you are for you to be able to do that. This is people, and this shows you everybody that's in the class. This is NetTutor, which is free tutoring. Not so much for this class, but I put it on there because it's for every subject you can imagine. And I thought it might help you out. So let's go back to the home page. So here you can see my instructor contact right here. My name is Casey Shannon, and you have an assistant instructor whose name is Gabe. Gabe is my service dog, and he would like to help you get an A in class. So it's a good idea to check out his tips. You can email me here, that's my Cabrillo email, or over here at the class email, which really is the best way to get in touch with me. And it's the quickest way. So I kind of prefer it that way, but you do what you need to do. My office hours are virtual. I can do chat, email, a private Zoom, or a phone appointment. And the information is here. This is how to begin the course. I've written it out for you step by step. So all you need to do is read through this. I've also included some class links that will take you to important pages, but I advise you to read through it before you start clicking on the links. Here's another link to the syllabus. And these are your course expectations. There are 4 things that happen every single week without fail. You got to read the textbook, turn in your internet exercise, your journal, and your discussion post. My class is very straightforward, so you shouldn't have any trouble with it. But if you do, get in touch with me and we'll fix it. Gabe has a tip for you right away. Keep your browsers updated. Canvas likes the newest and greatest browser, the newest one. So make sure you do that, and here's some instructions on how to do it and who you can call if you can't. This is a picture of Gabe on the computer. He's waiting for you. And Gabe made a video that he'd like you to watch. He made that especially for you. So everyone, let's get started. We're on a new adventure together, and have fun, good luck, and I'll see you online. Bye.